Alright guys, you can see we got an Exmark Metro 48 here. You can see this bent shaft. You see that gap. So you'll have uneven cuts. Wheel sometimes when you turn won't even be on the ground, it's so uneven. And sometimes you won't even be able to get the shaft out if it's bent too bad. You'll have to hit it out, but I don't think that one will be this bad. But here we go, we'll try it out. We'll just replace this caster shaft out. Best thing to do is get a big pry bar or have somebody else pick up the back of the mower. Just stick your jack under there. That. You do want to obviously have some safety, maybe some blocks here. Jack it up maybe a little bit, nothing crazy. Obviously have your brake on the handle up front. Oh, here we go. So you just pull this pin. It is going to, you gotta be careful because the wheel will fall down on you. Got my foot holding it up. Set that back down. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Take those washers off the top, set them aside. Easy as that. You can definitely tell it's bent right here, but take your washers off. Try to remember which one. If you want it set up the way you had it. You see my bottom had 3 washers, the top had 2, so remember where they went. Then you got just this one bolt with a nut on it. It's a 19 millimeter. I'm going to use a gun, but you can just use a ratchet and a socket and a wrench on the other side. Easy as that. It's got the lock, washer, and a nut. Just pull it out. Came out the bearing there. Yeah, be careful, that will slide out of there. Probably need to grease that, but so here's our new shaft. Well, it's not new, got it off eBay, about $38, $40. I already cleaned this with some brake cleaner, just your typical advanced or whatever. Spray it, wipe it down, get all the nasty stuff off. And you're just going to stick this back in here. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Put your, hey, don't put your lock in the lock washer, I mean. I'm just going to zing it up there a little bit with the impact, but I'm probably using a ratchet after that. I don't want to over tighten it. Wrench on the other side, just kind of. Not sure the exact torque specs, but it's not super critical or anything. I mean, I would just snug it up good. Wheel bearing does need to be greased. I would put a little grease on this spindle, like your typical automotive or industrial grease on this shaft here. Move it up good. I'll wipe my hand off. Believe. I almost forgot which one was what. On mine, the 3 were on the bottom. 2 big ones and a small washer. Set it back up. You got the Oop, let me move the phone. Oh yeah. Got a 2 on the top. And the shaft is shorter. So the shaft they sent me is not the same. However, must fit multiple models. Where's the rock piece? Oh, sorry, behind me. Obviously, just stick that back in there. So that is weird. This one is definitely not as long. It's definitely. My old one is taller. It said it fit an Exmark Metro. That might not be the case. We'll slow it down and see what it is. Alright. Move your blocks. Stick the pry bar in there. So you can get back. It does seem to. Doesn't look odd. I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes.